We are, I don't know where we are. He had a stash that was not working for him. I don't know if this is centered, if you can see anybody, or
really far back
I don't really know how. I'm bad at all things have to do with cameras, but we are, I don't know where we are.
We're at the Irving Nature Park. It's in St. John. It's great. I love her.
I'm gonna call this a filler video because we have no idea what to film right now, and the channel's a bit dry right now. What would be really helpful is if you mugs could leave some suggestions on what woo you want to see, because
The hair.
we don't know. We have no idea.
We're gonna
don't have any creative juices.
We have a few videos that we filmed, but we don't know if we're actually gonna use them. So.
Oh yeah.
Can we run that back real quick? I have never hated anyone more than I hate myself.
Emily has a whole skincare routine
That we went through and did.
filmed
That's gonna
and edited, and it's just sitting on the channel. It's just sitting there.
You uploaded it?
Yeah, just
I can make a
sitting there.
thumbnail for it.
So you might see that, you might not. Who knows?
I chew like an actual Neanderthal, and I'm sorry.
I don't actually even know if this is recording. I pressed the button, but I didn't actually check, so.
It was recording. You stupid.
Do you want to stop? She wants to skip a rock. Does this one work?
Ooh, that might work. I've done this for a very long time. Might end up horribly. We're gonna go for it.
No.
What about this one?
Oh, that won't work.
No.
It'll be like flat. Ooh. Naughty confirmed. Maybe.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? Hi. Not bad. It's maybe nice. I can't. Oh, it skipped.
Once.
That counts. It's all in the flick of your wrist, but like.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of.
They ask you how you are, you don't just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
LOL!
Can someone just, like, put me down, please? I'm an embarrassment to myself.
What's she doing? Did you just get... Oh my god, nice job. What is it?
Little crab! But the crab's dead now. It's just... This is gross. All we do with these little skeletons... Can you imagine the animals, after we die, just played with our bones? I guess humans play with each other's bones after they die, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, huck him at that point. Jeez.
sun on my face. Because that's where I shine, baby.
I like didn't prepare for this video at all. I was like, I'm just gonna hold the camera the whole time. It's fine.
Well, it's not me. It's not.
It smells really good,
It smells like the ocean.
which is a good smell.
I don't know if that's technically good,
I mean, I like
but
it.
it's the ocean. Oh, wait.
2 hours later.
Someone tried to pile up rocks right there.
It's kind of lit.
Yeah, they didn't succeed, but it's okay.
Maybe not. I'll show you guys. Where is it? Right there. Someone did not succeed in piling these rocks. But that's okay. We don't judge. I'm gonna go down there where those people are, but not like where those people are. Just down to the rocks.
Did you ruin it, Michaela?
Yeah, I did ruin it, Emily, but only to make it better. If you were to ask me if I hate myself, I would say yes.
Oh my god, she did it.
She's actually doing a pretty good job.
I did this. This is one of my many talents. So if anyone wants to hire me, now's the time. The calls are just coming in. They're endless. They're nonstop. And you know, not everyone possesses this kind of talent and information. So call now at 1234 Internet Street. Thank you.
Jesus Christ.
My one brain cell worked hard to make this, and me and her worked together, and this is what we accomplished.
She was being a bitch about climbing, but she up there now.
How does that Breakfast Club jump go? How do you do it?
Breakfast Club.
I don't remember either. I think it's hands up.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
I don't know what this is supposed to be, this video.
I don't know either. I think this is just supposed to be a vlog.
I don't know what you're gonna get. It's a filler video. Take it or leave it. I really don't give a flick.
I'm sure it's gonna be hilarious.